So welcome back. Today we are going to solve this reverse words in a string problem. And the question, the problem is that we are given a string with it's just a sentence. We just need to reverse the words in it. So since we have blue in the end, it should be the first word in the output sentence. Likewise for the remaining. So here the edge case is that he is saying there can be leading zeros and there can be trailing zeros, and also there could be like multiple not zeros, sorry, spaces I meant. There could be multiple spaces in between the words, so we should not be worrying about that. And the S contains upper and lower case both, and digits and spaces. There is at least one word in S. So I think even digits we can just consider them as we can just consider them as a word. So what I'm thinking is I'll have a word. It is going to be a rune of slice of rune slice of rune. Initially it's going to be empty, and so I'm going to loop through the values here. I'm not worried about the index, at least for now. And range, yes. So once I started looping, and if I find a space, right, if I find a space, it basically means that I have a what do you call, then it meant either I crossed a word, or it meant uh, there are like multiple spaces. So for example, if the current value, if if current value is a space, then in that case, if value is equals to that, and if the length of whatever word we have, right, if it is not equal, if it is not empty, then we found a word, so we want to append this to a sentence or word array. Let's say word array, and it is going to be make a print of it's going to be a string, and slice of string, sorry. So if length of word is not equals to 0, then we have a word with us and we want to add it to our word array. So for that we can do word array is equals to append to word array. What do you want to append? We want to append the word. So and once this is done, then we want to make the word an empty again. So I don't know if if it's the right way of making it empty, but let's see. So yeah, and if it is not, then if it is not empty, then we want to add it to the word array. So word is equals to append of word, and what do you want to add? We want to append root of value. So and at the end, if I have a word which is not yet added, then in that case if length of word is not equals to 0, then I want to append that word as well. But let's see what we have in fmt dot print ln of word array. I know it's not going to be work right away, but let's just give it a try. Invalid operator expects to found one line here, so it is going to be of length 0, and here also it is going to be length 0, and then finally here it's going to be length 0. Make of string expects 2 arguments. Where is it? Yeah, here. So the sky is, so we are able to get the words from this sentence, hello world, yeah, and likewise a good. So since we are able to get the words from the sentence, we just need to return it. I think there is a built-in function for that in Go. It's something like strings dot join of word array with a space. I'm not sure, but let's see. Strings, it is not strings, it is strings. Cannot use untyped round constant as string, so let's see this. And the sky is blue. My bad, we want to return it in a reverse order, so we had to reverse this word array, and I don't know if there is a built-in function to do that, but honestly we can just do something like let's just say left. We will see if there is a built-in function to do that or not. And length of word array -1. So for left, as long as this is true, then word array at left, right, we are going to interchange them. The left is going to be right, and then right is going to be left. Yeah, this should do. What the? No, we have to increment, right? Sorry guys. Yeah, anyway blue is Kaida, so let's try submitting it. I don't have to print this, but yeah, it's accepted, and it's a bit efficient only, not a problem. But I'm actually thinking like is there any way that we can make this efficient? Let's see. Is there a built-in function in Go to reverse a slice? No, there is no built-in function. What that's what I was asking. Slices dot reverse of my slice. So we do have that one. My slice. Yeah, one more thing we can do in Go is this. Alright, so we can initialize left. Left and right is going to be 0, and length of word array -1. We don't need this, so it will be much cleaner, and then once that is done, we are going to check this condition, and then here we can do left plus plus and right minus minus. I think this also works. I'm not sure. Let's see. Comma expected. What was the one we just saw? Left. Yeah. So I switched from C. I was coding in right is equals to left plus 1 and right minus 1. Yeah, this is also a good one, but let's use the built-in function. Slices dot reverse of word array. The less the number of lines of code, the better. So it works as a reference then with slices dot reverse of word array, and then delete till this word array. So basically it means that it will change the word array itself. It doesn't like give us anything back like this append function we have here. And yeah, anyway, this is pretty much what we can think of, but yeah, let's try submitting. This is much neater. Let's see how I solved it before. So it's September 2023. I solved. Nah, this is worse. It's in Java, so it's expected. Let's see in C++ ones. Stack. Yeah, even stack is also a good option actually. Like. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Bye bye.